Hello, welcome back. Good morning. How are you all? Children, wish you a happy new year. Children, today we are going to learn a new topic, and the name of the topic is skip counting by twos. Yes, skipping. What is this girl doing here? She is skipping with her rope. While skipping, what we do? We jump over the rope. Can you see? This girl is jumping over the rope. Oh, bunny. Oh, this boy. Similarly, can you see the bunny and a boy? Both are skipping, right? Huh? Are you confused? Why you are confused? Yes, because they does not have a rope. And how they are skipping? Children, skipping means not only skipping over the rope, it also means moving forward. Also, that is stepping one foot to the other. That is also called skipping. Can you see? This bunny is jumping and keeping one foot to the other. That is, he's stepping from one foot to the other foot. Even this boy, can you see this? Okay, very good. Now we'll move ahead. Mr. Tom. Oh my god, Jerry with the cheese. Ah, yummy. Now, Tom wants to catch this Jerry. He saw a ladder with numbers in it. See? Can you see this ladder with numbers? Yes. So he thought of jumping on the numbers to reach the Jerry. Okay. So let's see how he's jumping. Now where is Tom right now, children? Tom is on 0. Yes, now he will jump. Let's see after jumping where he goes. Oh, he went to 2. Okay, again he will jump. Let's see now on which number he will jump. Oh, he jumped on 4. Now let's see where he is going to catch Jerry. Yes, he jumped on 6 and then he catched the Jerry. Now children, this is known as skipping of numbers. So, from 0, he jumped to 2, then 4 and then 6. This is known as skipping of numbers. Let's move ahead. Now, skip counting 2's on flowers. Okay, let's see. Wow. Such a beautiful flowers, right? Now, let's see the meaning of skip counting. Skip counting by 2's means jumping on every second object. Object can be anything. It can be a book, it can be a shoes, it can be a pencil, it can be a chocolate. Okay, like you do jumping for the chocolate, how fast you are running and getting your chocolate. Yes? Now, second meaning, leaving a object in between and jumping on the second object. Means, when you do skip counting, you leave a object in between and jump on the second object. Let's see here on the flowers. Let's see honeybees there. What honeybee is doing? Let us see. Okay. Oh, honeybee is taking the honey from the flower. So, the honeybee is on the first flower. Can you see here? Now, let's see where she's going ahead. Oh, she moved on the third number object, that is flower, on third number flower. So between this 3 flower, she left the between flower. Can you see? And she jumped on the second flower. She was here. So 1 and 2. So she jumped 2 step ahead. That is, she moved 2 step ahead. Now let's see where else she's going. Oh, she jumped ahead. 1, 2. And here from between this means from blue to this pink flower, she left this middle flower. That is orange flower. She left. Okay. Now let's see where else she's going. Oh, she moved to purple flower. Again 1 and 2. So she's skip counting by 2s means wherever you are standing, you should jump 2 step ahead. Okay. Now, yes, she jumped on this last flower. Okay, so from yellow flower, she jumped over this orange flower, leaving flowers in between, and she jumped on the second flower. Okay, so let's move ahead. Keep counting 2s on numbers. Now let's see on numbers. Jumping on every second number, like we have seen on object, that jumping on every second object. Same way here, you are supposed to jump on the second number. Wherever you are standing, you should jump on the second number. Means you will jump one number, then you will stop at the second number, leaving number in between and jumping on second number. Okay, same. Oh, flowers are there again. Now again honeybee will come. Okay, let's see. Now where is honeybee? She is on number 1. So she will jump 2 step ahead, right? Jumping on every second number. So she is on 1. So after 1, the second number is 1, 2. So this is the second number. Means she will move on number 3. Let's see she is moving or not. Yes, she moved on number 3. And which number she left in between? Yes, she left 2 in between. Very good. Now let's see the next number. Now from 3 she will jump where? She will on every second number. She will jump on every second number. So 1 and 2. The second number is 5th. That is 5. So let's see she's moving or not. Yes, she's moving. She's jumping, children. Now from 5, she will move to, come on, tell me. Yes, absolutely correct. She'll move on 7. Smart, my bachas are smart. Very good. Keep it up. So she left which number? 6. Very good. Now after 7, she'll move on. Yes, 9. Very good. So 1 and 2, she moved 2 step ahead and she left between number is which one? 8. Yes. Now from 9, she'll move on. Which is the second number from 9? Yes, 11. She'll move on 11. Then from 11, where she'll move? Yes, she moved on 13. Very good. And from 13, she'll move on 15. Absolutely correct. And from 15, she'll move on. Come on, come on. Yes, 17. Let's see. Yes. So, she was on 1. Then she moved to 3. Then 5. Then 7. Then 9, then 11, then 13, then 15, and lastly 7. So she moved on every second number from 1 to 3. So 1 and 2, these are the two numbers. So she moved on every second number and she left between number. Okay, leaving in between number and jumping on the second number. Okay, so let's move ahead. Skip counting 2's by number line. Now let's see on number line. Oh, can you see the number line from 0 to 10? Can you see, children? Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is the number line from 0 to 10. Now who's standing? Oh, this boy is running. Yes, mujhe first aana hai. I want to come first and I want to finish the number line till 10. Yes. Now let's see what the boy is doing. He is where? On 0. Now he will jump. Let's see where he will jump. Come on, you tell me where he will jump. As we have discussed earlier. Yes, he will jump on the second number from the starting number, that is he is on 0 and he will jump on the second number. So which will be the second number? This is the first number and this is the second number. So he will jump on 2 and leaving this 1 in between. Let's see he's jumping or not. Oh yes, he jumped. He jumped on number 2. Yay! Now let's see after 2 where he will go. Oh, he jumped on 4. Yay! So from 2 he jumped on 4. So he jumped on the second number from 2. So 1 and 2 and he left between number is 3. Very good. Let's see from 4 where he will go. He reached to 6. Yes. And now he's going to finish his racing. From 6 he will jump to 8. Yes. And from 8 he will jump to 10. So he finished his racing from 0 to 10. So he's jumped on every second number and he left some numbers in between. See this way. Can you see this point? From 0 to 4, from 0 to 2, then 4, then 6, then 8 and then 10. Now this is question time to you. See the questions properly. Now children, you have to do this question in your classwork book. See here, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now next number what will come? You are supposed to write here. Then 5, 7, 9, 11. Then next number, then 40, 42, 44, 46. Then next numbers, then 61, 63, 65, 67. You will fill this and complete your work. And you should remember the rule that from the number you have to jump on the second number and leaving the between number. Okay. So this is your homework which you are going to do it in your classwork. Thank you for today. I hope you have understood what is the meaning of skip counting. Bye. Take care.